How to grow a beard faster. Waiting for a beard to grow in can feel a lot like watching grass grow. This may be frustrating if you are trying to grow a full beard. The younger you are, the longer it may take you to hit your beard goals. Men's facial hair start coming in during puberty. Many men will support the beginnings of a mustache and a few sprigs of chin here, years before the rest of hair, their beard starts to surface. Some men see their full beard come in when they are as young as 18 or 19. Others may continue to have sparse areas of growth until their mid to late 20s or even later. Some men may never achieve the beard of their dreams. Genetics and hormones play a large role in determining how quickly and fully your beard will ultimately grow. Health and lifestyle habits can also play a part. Facial hair growth is largely propelled by testosterone, a hormone. Testosterone levels can vary for men between 19 and 38. The normal range is 264 to 916 nanograms per deciliter. This represents about the third through 98th percentile for testosterone. Testosterone. It's a knee-jerk response to think that testosterone, the male sex hormone, is responsible for beard growth, but most men actually have similar levels of testosterone. Low testosterone is characterized by a host of other symptoms such as erectile dysfunction, infertility, decreased muscle mass, development of breast tissue. If you are not experiencing these symptoms, testosterone therapy from your doctor or a supplement isn't likely to help. You can also be genetically predetermined for a scant beard, even if your testosterone is normal. This is largely due to genetic variations, ethnicity, and heredity. Skin condition. In rare cases, a skin condition is to blame for a lack of hair growth. Certain skin conditions like alopecia cause balding or hair loss. If you have symptoms of a skin condition which likely affects your head as well as your hair, visiting a dermatologist could help. In some cases, thin or slow growing hair is the result of hyperthyroidism and underactive thyroid. However, this condition is more common among women over 50 years old. Thin hair or hair loss can also be a symptom of an iron deficiency or anemia. Generally, it's genetics. For most men who struggle to grow facial hair, genetics are to blame. If your father or grandfather had difficulty with facial hair growth, it's possible you will too. And for those men, there really aren't too many solutions. While beard implants recently hit the market, they are an extreme option for relatively minor problems. Do beard boosting supplements work? With the growing popularity of beards and facial hair, some supplements makers are capitalizing on men who have trouble growing stubble. These companies offer supplements and creams that promise thicker and fuller beards. However, most of them lack scientific credibility. There is some evidence that vitamin D can activate hair follicles that have become dormant. B vitamins like B12, biotin, and niacin can strengthen and help condition hair. One such supplement, Beard Elixir, promises to boost beard growth by providing nutrients like vitamin C, biotin, and vitamin A. Like hair supplements marketed toward women, these vitamins and minerals are said to produce thicker, healthier hair. But if your body wasn't meant to grow a beard due to genetics, the supplement may not work. A typical daily vitamin contains similar ingredients and is probably cheaper. Little tips that could pay off. If you are finding it hard to grow a beard, there is a small chance it's because you simply aren't taking care of yourself. Like a good head of hair, facial hair requires a healthy diet and regular sleep. Your first steps toward reaching your facial hair goal should include the following. Reduce stress. According to the Mayo Clinic, while there is not a simple yes or no answer, some hair loss could be related to stress. Eating a healthy diet. A balanced diet will give your body all the nutrients it needs. Get plenty of rest. The better sleep you get, the better your health. Don't smoke. Smoking can also lead to hair loss, as one older study points out. Take care of your skin. Figure out your skin type and stick to a skincare routine. Keep in mind that you inherit genes from both parents. Your dad's beard may indicate that yours will be like, but so many your maternal grandfathers. Beard growth fullness may also be affected by testosterone. There is some evidence that linear hair growth rate, meaning how fast your beard grows, is determined by the amount of dihydrotestosterone (DHT) you produce. DHT is a byproduct of testosterone activated by an enzyme in the hair follicles oil glands. Beard growth rates can vary considerably. Once your beard growth pattern has become fully established, you may notice that your beard grows about half inch per month. Your overall health affects everything, including your beard. You cannot alter your genetics, but there are lifestyle habits that may make you healthier and help you achieve a fuller beard quicker. Exercise. Exercise improves blood flow, which helps to stimulate hair follicles growth. Exercises like weightlifting and strength training may also temporarily boost testosterone. Try varying the workouts you do as well as the time of day you do them. Testosterone levels naturally fluctuate in young men during the day, spiking in the morning and ebbing in the afternoon. Diet. Good nutrition from eating a healthy, balanced diet may benefit your beard as well as your body. It's important to keep your body mass index in the normal range. since obesity can lower testosterone. Certain nutrients, such as zinc, may also be beneficial for testosterone levels. A healthy diet won't override genetics, but it may help your existing hair grow healthier and more lustrous. Include the following: lean protein, such as chicken and salmon, iron, such as liver, whole grains, and other healthy carbohydrates, foods high in zinc, such as nuts and chickpeas, healthy fats, such as those in avocados, fruits and vegetables, such as those high in B vitamins and vitamin A, C, D, and E. These vitamins may all help with their growth. Beard growth vitamins and supplements. Many supplements are specifically targeted toward beard growth. As with diet, there is no miracle cure that's able to override heredity. If you are unable to get all the nutrients you need through diet, taking a supplement of multivitamin complete with iron and zinc may be just as beneficial. Sleep. Sleep is essential for optimal overall health. It can be beneficial for beard growth too. The testosterone in your system is primarily released during sleep. Not getting enough rest, sleep apnea, and fragmented sleep can all adversely affect this process. A small study found that daily sleep restriction lowered testosterone levels in healthy young men. Another study found that testosterone levels peaks at around the start of the first REM rapid eye movement sleep cycle and remain at that level until you wake up. Washing and moisturizing. Keep your skin and beard clean and moisturized can have a positive effect on beard appearance. Keep your pores open by exfoliating your face. This will help remove dead skin cells and debris from around each hair follicle. It will also help reduce ingrown hairs from occurring under your beard. Leave-in conditioners designed specifically for beards can help nourish the hair, keeping it soft and moisturized. This will eliminate beard dandruff and make your beard appear fuller. You can experiment with creams, oils, and lotions to see which kind is best for your skin type and beard. Thicker beard growth. Keeping your beard clean and moisturized helps it appear thicker. There is no specific regimen that has been scientifically proven to thicken beard hair. However, anecdotal evidence points to olive oil and avocado oil as potential beard thickener. It's possible, however, that these rich new moisturizers work the same way leave-in conditioners do, by keeping beard hair nourished, making it look lusher and thicker. Minoxidil Rugain is a product designed to simulate hair growth on the scalp. While it may also work on the face, it's not meant to be used for this purpose. It may also not be practical to use in this way, since it must may remain on the skin for around 4 hours at a time. The rate at which your beard will grow in, as well as its fullness, is largely determined by genetics, and testosterone and DH also play important roles. Though there isn't any recent formal data on the popularity of facial hair, it doesn't take a study to notice that beards seem to be everywhere. Growing them seems to have very little to do with keeping faces warm and a whole lot to do with appearance and style. But what about those of us who have trouble growing facial hair? While there are some tricks for encouraging overall hair growth, at the end of the day, it all boils down to genetics.